Here's the next unboxing video. So we have a big peacock from Shasta brand. We have a big whistle rocket from Priyadarshini. We have a Matchbox 10 in 1. We have Whale Valley's 4x4 wheel. We have a small peacock from Whale Muthus. We have 7 shots from Hasbro. We have an helicopter from Shasta. And lollipop sparkles from Shasta. Anu's crackling sparkles, 2 boxes. And we have Anu's electrical sparkles, 4 boxes. One Jallikattu, big. One tin fountain from Whale Muthus. One shots from Kale. One shots from Kale. We have three 50 Deluxe. And flower pot special from Pandians. One flower pot Ashoka from JM. Tirumala's cockfight, 2 tins. Ultra voltage cock, Tirumala's 2 tins. One 50 cm sparklers. Two gold Lakshmi. $28 Saram. $24 Saram. Couple of more sarams. Two Whale Muthus ground chucker special. One Bijli packet. Two 15 cm Shasta color sparkles. One Bambram spinner. One SPT golden duck. Two Lia's twister special ground chucker. Two Whale Muthus ground chucker deluxe. One digital Soundwala. One Jurassic bomb. One more pot of Ashoka flower pots. One Starwell Shinchan, which is a digital wala. One Jagajal Deluxe. This is also a digital wala. Two Lion Lakshmi 4-inch. One more box of digital Jurassic Bomb. One classic bomb hydrogen. One flower pot deluxe Veil Muthus. One Kung Fu Bada deluxe. This is Lia's Twister, which is ground checker, but this is a deluxe box. This is a strawberry shot, 4.5 inches. One SPT brand's tricolor fountain. One 4-inch twinkling star. One Color Koti deluxe. One more Bijli packet. One Kurvi packet. One 30 shots, color shots with crackling. This is prime shots. And the last one is a 120 shots, multicolor shots from Kale.